Hey guys, okay, I thought I was recording. I want to show you some items that I have to organize my craft room, which is going to be downstairs. And you know that I need organization really bad. It looks like a craft store exploded in my kitchen. But these are great too, these carts, because you can bring them up, even if, or slide them in from room to room, and have your stuff at your fingertips. Now I have a bigger one of these that is the scrapbook one. Actually has cases. I'll show you, and I'll put links to these in the video description. So, let me show you. The other cart that I actually have my Cricut on has have six cases like this. They're 12 by 12, so they take the scrapbooking papers and things. And right now I just have all these tools, which I also want to go over, that I got, and I will show you them in the Cricut. But I did get the quick change, and I did get an engraving tip, and I did get the knife blade, and all kinds of things, which I'll review. But these are nice because you can take them out, get your stuff, and put them back in the cart. And you'll see the difference in the size of the other cart. Is just like this, except it has this and these instead of drawers, and it's really easy to work with them. Okay, so I'll show you the cart. I do have my Cricut on it. That's another nice thing, because if I bring it up, I can just put my Cricut on it. It's sturdy enough. And to do that, but it's also in the white, and the drawers go easily in and out of it. But let's talk about this right now. I'll show you the Cricut cart. I will put a link in the video description, but I think you get the idea. So this has smaller drawers, but they're still nice drawers. Now they stay put. So here you have this nice area on top where you have trays. You can put your scissors or whatever you're working with at the time. So I got that. See how I like that? Probably going to need a few more of those. And for me right now, it's way more economical than one of those scrap box thingies, which can be, upwards of $3,000. This I think was $24, and I think my scrapbook one was like $39. So, okay, so that is something I wanted to show you. And the other thing I got to organize crafts is something for paintbrushes, because currently I was putting paintbrushes in one of those clear bins, but then you can't really see what you have, and they're not at your fingertips when you need them, right? And also if you wash them and you're looking for a place to dry them, etc. So I picked up one of these. It was $6 or $7. I think it was $6 something. Okay, now I have to put it together here. So here's how it comes. I'll put the link in the video description. That's it. And I'm imagining that this is the bottom because it's solid, and this is the top. And here's the little spaces for these to go in. So what I'll do is I'll just put these in here, and okay, and then this will just go onto here, and we have, let's see, it looks like they go anywhere in here, I think. Let me just put this on. Yeah, and then you can just pop your brushes in there and have them. So let me just show you what I mean. I'm sure you know, but so have brushes, and then you can just pop them in like that and have your brushes. And I have a lot more, but you'll be able to see them. If you wash them, you know, they can dry out there. But that was another thing I got to organize my craft stuff and not just have it in a bin where I can't see it. I can see clearly where my brush. Make sure you can see that. See how lovely that looks in clear. But yeah, so that's that. And what else did I just show you? Okay guys, so that's that. I have a lot of other stuff to be showing you, and I have my hauls from yesterday. I'm trying to get those up. I'm just trying to get through everything. I have to get through a Lovabella doll for a sponsor, and I have to get that up either tomorrow or, you know, or tonight. So thank you for watching, and I'll have links to the products. Take care guys. Bye bye.